Hi YouTube! Today I'm doing this kind of migrating flock of birds design, and I've already painted my nails with these China Glaze nail polishes for Audrey, and the ring finger is flying high. And then with any silver nail polish and a eyeshadow applicator, I'm just sponging on the tip of my nails with a very light hand to give some dimension to the color so it's not so flat. And it also kind of reminds me of clouds. Using some black acrylic paint and a small detail brush, you can do a couple practice strokes before you paint on your nail. There's really no technique to this. I would just suggest that you paint your birds all flying in the same direction as they would if they were migrating in real life. It really helps if you have a picture of a flock of birds in flight. For me, I just googled flock of birds just to see what their flight formation kind of looks like, and I try to do my best to mimic that on my nails. And the whole reason I got the idea for this design is because I've seen a lot of bird print lately. I think it's becoming very trendy for the springtime as the birds are returning from their migrations. And so, yep, just keep painting your birds and looking at your picture for reference, making sure that they all fly in the same direction. Once you've finished, seal your design with a top coat and you're done! Thank you for watching!